Ever wondered why people say, "bless you," when someone sneezes? It's not just being polite. It actually started a long time ago. Back in ancient Rome, sneezing could mean you were getting sick, even dying. So people began saying, "God bless you," as a way to wish health and protection. The Pope even encouraged it during the plague. Over time, it became a habit, just a kind way to show you care. Today, it's something we say without thinking. But now you know why. Got more weird habits you're curious about? Drop your question below.